There, now it's recording.
Just roll.
What's up? This is Decod 7th Street bringing you a Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack opening. 2 Generation Forces here. Hopefully I get something good. Start with the first pack. Is it going? Yeah. A Treaty of Uniform Nomenclature. Go 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 Golem. Phantom Magician. A Girano. A Sky Star Beret. Damage Vaccine. Something Max. Future Glow. Poseidon Wave. Underground Egg Clutch. And now with my second pack, keep it going, okay? This one actually felt a little heavy, so probably got something good. Explosive Urchin. Gust Condor. Double or Nothing. Crashbug Y. Attention. Crashbug C. Ani Gamma Combo. Laval Magma Cannoneer. And a legendary wind-up key. So the rares were Attention, and then the Sky Story. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace now.